Welcome to this higher physics video for the particles and waves unit on prefixes and orders of magnitude. The things we will cover today is using different orders of magnitude from very small objects within the nucleus to larger objects in different solar systems and galaxies, and also an understanding of the different prefixes: pico, nano, micro, milli, kilo, mega, giga, and tera, and what they mean. Let's start with orders of magnitude. Physics is a science that we study from very small scales to very large scales, from subatomic size to distances between galaxies and the size of the universe itself. An order of magnitude is a number that is 10 times greater than the previous number. For example, 10 is one order of magnitude greater than 1. 100 is 2 orders of magnitude greater than 1. 1000, or 10 to the 3, is 3 orders of magnitude greater than 1. You have to have an awareness of the sizes of objects and sometimes make estimations on these. So when we get to 10 to the 7 meters, you can see we've got all the way to diameter of the Earth, which is 7 orders of magnitude greater than the height of a person. A 100 meters, the length of a 100-meter track, is 2 orders of magnitude greater than the height of a desk in the science classroom at 1 meter. How about calculating how many orders of magnitude greater something is compared to something else? So here we compare the diameter of the Earth, 12.7 million meters, to the diameter of a £1 coin, which is 2 centimeters in diameter. If we put these both in meters, we can see that one has 10 to the 7 and one has 10 to the minus 2. So this is 9 orders of magnitude difference. We can divide the numbers, as you see on the next line. Then we get the number how many times bigger the diameter of the Earth is than a £1 coin. And then we can put that into scientific notation to show that. If we get 0.6, we would round that up to 1, so we would get 1 times 10 to the 9, or 9 orders of magnitude. But you can do it from the start just by looking at the indices and remembering the math rules for how to divide those. Within the higher physics course, there are some requirements to understand new prefixes compared to National 5. These are nano times 10 to the minus 9 and pico times 10 to the minus 12. On this table, we also show femto because it's the size of a proton, so practically the smallest size of object that we're going to be studying. And we also have an additional unit called the angstrom on there, which was 10 to the minus 10, which is the sizes of atoms. But these are not one of the official prefixes within your course. Looking at larger numbers, then in addition to giga, we now have tera, which is 10 to the 12. So you have to ask yourself, do you know what an order of magnitude is? Or what 2 orders of magnitude means? Can you calculate the differences in terms of orders of magnitude? And do you know what the prefixes mean so that you can do conversions to make calculations within this course.